So now let's see how we can go ahead and add in a Google Drive block inside of Notion. So over here you can see that I have the space, and now I'm going to press enter right here, type in slash and type in Google Drive right here, just like this. Once you go ahead and do that, then what happens is that you get a Google Drive embed link where you can go ahead and then from your Google Drive right here, just like this, let's just go to drive.google.com, and over here, let's say for example, I'm going to go ahead and get this letter, copy out the link for it, paste the link right here, and then you can see that it actually asks me to connect the Google Drive to update. So if I were to go ahead and click on it, I will be asked to go ahead and sign in with my Notion account to my Google account right here. So once you do that, you can give access to Notion right here, just like this. And then once you do that, what happens is that now Google Drive link will be here. So you can go ahead and select out the file right here to be previewed right here. You can select out an account right here and select out the letter right here. Click on select. And then what happens is that it's embedded right here from your Google Drive right here, just like this, as you can see. So apart from that, you can also go ahead and type in, let's say for example, Google Drive right here, just like this, and go ahead and click right here, go to browse Google Drive, choose from TutorTube. So I already linked it out. So now you can go ahead and select out any file that you want right here. Let's say for example, even let's say for example, these type of files, go ahead and click on select, and then that particular file will actually be previewed right here, just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize the Google Drive block inside of Notion. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.